As I said, prep generosity cannot be outdone, and one might think that the gift of the Barrett Science Center is enough for a Jesuit school in 1 year, but we believe in the magis, that Latin term for the more and the greater thing. So in addition to opening the Xavier Barrett Science Center this fall, we are on time, even ahead of schedule, to open the McLeod Innovation Center, thanks to Chris McLeod, class of '73, an amazing and generous alum of Fairfield Prep, giving us space on the ground floor of Xavier that will revolutionize the way that we handle innovation and creativity in our life at Fairfield Prep. We cannot wait to get into that space and give our boys access to cutting-edge technology, robotics, STEM education, entrepreneurial education, TV and media, and finally a space where our alums can connect with our boys for future networking and building the true prep brotherhood. And tonight, before anyone else has had this opportunity, you who are tuning in are going to see for the first time a fly-through in the last moments of construction at the ground floor of Xavier Hall, the McLeod Innovation Center. So I'd like to walk you through that right now. As you can see, we're flying into the welcome space in the McLeod Center where our boys can gather and collaborate. Right on the other side of that is now a live shot of the construction going on in our basement. You can see us walking into that common space where we will be able to have events, Entrepreneurial Institute events, our alums to be able to come and join us on campus. You can see this giant gathering space that is essentially like the size of a second student life center on our campus. Another view of that is looking back up the grand stairway to our cafe, looking into then our robotics space, as well as the stadium stairway, which allows our boys to gather, to innovate, and to collaborate. We cannot wait after the Christmas vacation to welcome Chris McLeod and all of our friends in to the Innovation Center at Fairfield College Prep.